Hi, welcome to the Real Education. I know that your time is most precious, so without wasting your most precious time, let's come to the point how to open a bank account in National Building Society online without visiting any branch. So friends, first of all we have to open our browser. As you can see, this is my Opera browser and you can use also your Chrome browser. I suggest to you, please use Chrome browser for your best safety and security. Right now I am using Opera browser but by some reasons. So first of all we have to search here on the Google National Building Society. So this is the interface of National Wide Building Society website. So scroll down your mobile screen and this is the website or .uk, so click on it. So as you can see, this is the interface of this website. As you can see, there is a many types of advertisements here. First of all we have to click on our products. As you can see, this is the our product, and we can open a savings account, a ISA accounts, and mortgage loans, credit cards, and apply we can for credit card, and we can also apply for our insurance. So right now I want to open a current account, so I am clicking on current account. You can also open a savings account, so I am right now clicking on current account. After it, you can see this is the completely a list of their current accounts. Current account for under 18s available, current account for students, switching to nationwide, and you can download the application of them. So right now I'm clicking on full range of current accounts. So this is the full range of their current account. So scroll down your mobile screen. Flex Plus accounts are available here. Number second, Flex Direct account available here. And number third, Flex account. This is a completely simple and normal account. And also here Flex Students account here available, Flex One account available here, and this is the, as you can see, Flex Basic account also here. So many types of account also here available. So we have, I want to open right now, this is the Flex Plus account. You can also open your Flex Direct, Flex account, many types of account available here. So I am clicking on right now, first of all, Flex Plus. As you can see, this is the interface of apply now, so click on it. This is the interface of Flex Plus account. Scroll down your mobile screen, and I am right now scrolling down my mobile screen. There is a option of I am new to nationwide, I am existing customer. I am clicking on I am new to nationwide. Then scroll down your mobile screen, read all terms and conditions carefully, and apply for a Flex Plus account. Click on it. As you can see, this is the interface of their application. We have to fill application online so they can verify our online authenticity. So I am clicking on right now individual account. You can select your joint account, but right now I am a individual account. What you want to overdraft your amount, you can enter your overdraft amount. I don't want, so I am clicking on 0 right now. What your title, I am clicking on Mr. Then enter your first name. I am entering my first name, and this is the last name. Then we have to enter some all details about how you change your name in last 12 months. I am clicking on no. Please enter your DOB. I am right now entering my DOB. So as you can see, this is the DOB. I set this DOB, you can set this, and your marital status, I am clicking on single. Then we have to click on how many financial dependents do you have. So I have 0, so I am clicking on 0. If anyone financially dependent on you, then you can select the amount. I am right now clicking on 0. Please enter your enter your home address, so click on it. And first of all we have to enter our postal code, then they will verify it. So I am right now clicking on postal code. As you can see, I entered my all address detail. After entering your all address detail, scroll down your mobile screen. Now they are questioning to you, when do you move on this address. So I am clicking on month. We have to select our month when we did the move this address. So I am clicking on month, and there is a tell us where do you live right now, about where do you live right now. So I am clicking on more right now. Then we have to select this is unfurnished, rented accommodation, furnished, and with parents. So I am clicking on with parents. Then your employment details and financial details, I am clicking on right now full time. Then we have to enter our amount, how we earn. Now we have to select is your income likely decrease in the next 2 years. I am clicking on right now no. If yes, then you can click on yes, and if you no, then you click on no. Then your monthly outgoings, what is your monthly outgoings? So I'm right now selecting my monthly outgoings. Then we have to enter something property services charges, and something you can enter children cost and school fees, maintenance to support previous partner or children, and students loan and repayment. So please enter this all details. I am right now entering this all details as a 0 because they don't have depended on me. So right now I am clicking on continue. This is the application of your current account. You can see that first of all we have to confirm our eligibility, then we have to click on about you, then configure, review, and in the last of we have to submit this application. So first of all we have to account option. So please review your all account details. I reviewed this all account details. Then we have to click on continue. So as you can see, they are checking our perform eligibility criteria. So this is the done, and our eligibility criteria is good for this account. They approve my application right now. Here is the step number 1. Scroll on your mobile screen. This is your address, and click on apply now right now. Step number 2. Please read all term and conditions carefully. I am clicking on this read. This is the term and conditions. Scroll down your mobile screen and read all term and conditions carefully. I read this all term and conditions already. So right now we have to click on close. Then we have to enter some details about it. What is your detail? Will be you using this is for your personal use? I am clicking on right now yes. If you are not, then you can click on not. And what would you like to name appearing on your card? Select your name. Then please enter your email address. Right now I am entering my email address. Then we have to enter our telephone number, and then please select your nationality. I am right now selecting British, but I am not British. This is a completely a video for an example and education purpose. So right now I am clicking on British, but I am Indian right now. Do you have any another nationality? I'm clicking on right now no. Your country of birth, United Kingdom. Then select your employment and financial details. So I am clicking on right now more, and select your details. I am right now selecting professional services. Then select your what is your job role. So click on it and select your job profile. So I am right now selecting. After it selecting your job role, your job profile, then we have to enter our employment name. What is your employer name? Select it. You can enter your business name also. I am selecting right now streets. We have to enter the street. I entered my street. We have to enter our town. I entered my town. And this is the work telephone number. Please enter here telephone number and approximate date when you started your work. I am selecting this, and this is the age of your work. Your tax residency. What is your tax residency? I am clicking on right now no. I am not a citizen of America. Then we have to select residence for tax purpose, and any other country I am selecting right now no. Then please tap on continue. As you can see, this is the third step of our application. So scroll down your mobile screen. Then we have to something details about are you happy with the receive paperless communication? I am clicking on right now. Select yes. Would you like to apply a checkbook? I am right now not. I don't want any checkbook. Then select any other things. Do you want any current account with another bank? Do you have? I am clicking on right now no. Then we have to select some other details about it. What is the main sort of income you put on the account? I salary as / wages. Then select your what is your monthly use for your account. I am selecting right now everything. Then scroll down your mobile screen, read all term and conditions and policies about it. So I am read all term and conditions, click on yes. Then we have to read something other details about it. We have to everything we have to click on yes, and make sure please read all term and conditions carefully. I read this all term and condition carefully before this video, and I already check mark all the details about this. So read all your term and conditions carefully and tick a checkbox. There is a something insurance. So right now please select this all three options. Right now no, I am selecting, but as your preference you can select. Do you need insurance for your family? I am selecting no, but I am right now selecting yes. Okay, you can use this. This is a completely very good insurance policy with this bank, but please read all term and conditions carefully. Click on continue. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Then please review your all term and conditions and everything I read, all thing is completely, and tap on continue. Now as you can see, this is the 4 step of your application. We have to review all details about it. I review all details, read term and conditions, shareability and everything. I click on yes, then close the what you want, and email yes I want, you want letters I don't want, you want calls I don't want, then select all details about yourself. I'm clicking on continue. They are performing and checking our criteria and looking about our details. After our details confirmation, the symbol of this here done, then our application has been approved. As you can see, this is our application has been approved successfully without any problem. You almost are everything finished. So what is our next criteria and what we have to do the next? So first of all, please read this term and condition, click on it and scroll down your mobile screen, and there is an option of agree. You want yes or no? I want yes or no by selecting this all and agree bonus. If you want, then you can click on it, but I want this, I agree this all term and conditions, click on it and scroll down mobile screen and click on OK. As you can see, I entered everything details about this company, so click on right now continue. They are reviewing our application, confirming our details, sending our email and everything. They review everything is successfully and they give us a reference number. So as you can see, what is the next step? Within 5 working days, they will write us a letter with some documents what they need to approve for our account opening. Then we have to apply all accounts and all documents we have to need to approve from this company, and after it they will provide us a PIN, our checkbook. If we want checkbook, they will provide internet banking, and also they will provide us a debit card. And if you have any confusion, you can call customer care and you can email a customer care. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.